Nung na-adjust na natin, hello? Isa na. Hindi pa totally balansado yan. Okay. So from here, ibahin na natin. Line AB, BC, CD, DE, EA. Okay? So line, distance, ano yung distance niyan? 83.5, 61.8, 62, 51.20, 90.4. Okay. Now, ano yung bearing? Forward noun is equal to the back bearing. Okay. Give me forward A. AB. South, 28 degrees and 15 minutes. Dito ang tingin. AB. West. Okay. Next. BC.
North 85.
North, 85 degrees.
West.
West. CD.
North 33 degrees 30 minutes west.
DE.
North 62 degrees east.
North,
62 degrees east.
And EA.
South 82.
South 82 degrees 15 minutes
Bakit
east.
wala kayo EA dyan?
Ayun po sa taas.
South,
82 degrees 15 minutes east.
okay.